Early to bed, early to rise, fish like hell and make up lies. Everyone, I'm trying to get my brand of steel fishing leaders kicked off. Everybody else is trying to sell products that you don't see. Well, you're seeing my products right now. That's triple prong weighted hooks. You got two lines of them. This is a trot line leader. This right here, I'm selling it for, I'll go $18 because it'll cover shipping cost, and I'll come out even on the cost of the materials. This right here are steel leaders. So you got your 3-inch and your 7-inch in one pack. Those are $10. I got multiple of these already made up and ready to ship out. This is a basic setup of my products. You have your steel leader, which I can make the steel leaders any length that you request. And they are all made by hand, by my hands. The shackle is included. And then, being they are heavy, I got a big cork, which is laid on a leader right here. Excuse the house. And it's hooked to the shackle. And then you can hook the trot line into it. And this will keep your fishing line from getting snagged or broke on something. If you hook this line on trash on the bottom of the lake or pond or ditch or river that you're fishing in, you will either have to cut your line or remove the debris that you are hooked on. So this whole setup right here, your steel leader, your shackle, your long leads if you want them, or you can just take the steel leader right here, put you a quick connect swivel on it, snap you a hook on it. And all fishermen know the bigger the bait, the bigger the fish. So I have it set up. I can set it up with 2 hooks, triple hooks. I got that set up to where somebody can put big bait on the line and put it out in the river, and you set how far out you want it to be away from the boat or the bank. Like I said, I can make these whichever length you want it. I can put whatever kind of hooks on it you want, or just leave the hooks off where you can add in quick connect swivels. So if you're interested in purchasing this, for right now, just DM me and we will work out how to get get them to you and you pay me for them. But like I said, $10 for these, $15 for this setup and this one. And this is just how I have it set up on my fishing pole.